Guys, I'm so mad. I'm so mad, bro. Like, I'm not gonna be the type to be a bigger person. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna be the type to be a bigger person. I saw that Piano Pulse video, Fiso. Bro, why are you lying, dog? Why are you lying? Why are you lying, Sfiso? I'm not gonna be a bigger person, bro. I'm tired of niggas and I'm tired of people bedlala fethu ngomuntu wasekhaya kanje. Yena bese yathula kusisi kusethule. I'm not gonna be that type, Oaks. Sfiso, why aren't you talking about how Sisi helped you when you had no money, when you were broke? Huh? Let's talk about how Sisi took you to the hospital. Let's talk about how Sisi became an automatic godmother to your newborn child. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about how Sisi bought clothes. Because umntana wakho engakwazi ukuphuma esibhedlela, uSisi had to buy clothes for umntana wakho. Let's talk about that. Ungenamali. uSisi gave you a chance wena Sifiso. Ungenamali, broke. Wasuka endlini yakho uSisi, drove to you, took you to the hospital. Unkosikazi wakho uyayazi leyo nto. Does your wife know ukuthi uSisi was the first person to buy clothes for ingane yakho ungakwazi ukuyithengela? Unkosikazi wakho elambile esibhedlela, uSisi had to buy food for unkosikazi wakho. Let's talk about that. You niggas are ungrateful. Ni ungrateful nina. Umuntu mayisengisizile sekusubona imali siyakubheka imali awusakwazi ukukhokhela abantu manje. Awusakwazi ukukhokhela abantu manje. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about how Sisi bought impahla zomntana wakho, your newborn child. Ungakwazi wena kwakuya esibhedlela uyobabona. Womile Sifiso, womile. Yazi umuntu ohluphekile wombona mfethu omile, even iskin. Omile. Usuyakhokhela wena, usukwazi ukukhuluma kanje, usubonga uSisi ngeplate lamasimba. Baba singazodlala la. I'm not the one to be a bigger person. Forget. I'm tired, bro. I kept quiet about that other story. I'm not even gonna mention it here. Now I'm gonna keep quiet about this. I'm not, my brother. Forget. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about that. And you are saying when ukhokhele mastering yahamba chuba. Stop lying. Stop lying. Uba kambe lentwana lesengikhohlwe negama layo. Wena wathi le ntwana ifuna 200 angeke ngisho ne amount. Okay, now actually I'm going to say the amount. What le ntwana wena ifuna 2.5. I work at office in the House of Tom. Now my receipt ukuthi I can't post here, Buffett. I'm sorry, I can't post. It's not my position to post. I'm a receipt la ukuthi sakho kamalini. uSifiso came to us, he told us ukuthi kudingakala 2.5. uSifiso couldn't pay for shit. uSifiso didn't have money, Oaks. uSifiso couldn't pay for shit. He didn't have money. uSifiso, we paid for mastering yale mali. Let me tell you how that money was paid. uSifiso came to us, usitshela ukuthi le ntwana leyana needs, angisazi uba igama lakhe man, but lo amfonelile izolo. Usitshela ukuthi he said he needs 2,500. Right? Okay, cool. We take the money, we pay. uSifiso, guys, ayikho payment uSifiso ayenza ngegama lakhe because akafuni ukusetshenziswa igama lakhe. Why? Akafuni into ezohlanganisa payment ne-ID yakhe. Why? Why is that, Fiso? Tell us why. So let me tell you what happened. Then we take the money as the House of Tom, we paid it to unkosikazi wakhe. Okay, we paid it to uSisi. uSisi wasendela unkosikazi wakhe. And then unkosikazi wakhe kushuthwa bakhokhela. Mase sibuza le ntwana ye-mastering ukuthi yena ucharge malini. Le ntwana ye-mastering yathi yona ibifuna 650 rand. uSifiso came to us wathi bani 250. Lo muntu uSifiso had no money. Why izokhokhela le ntwana 650 rand? Le enye imali wayizoyenzana uSifiso? Now uSifiso is talking like a big boss ngoba esedla imali zehamba tube. Seyiphumile imali zakhe hamba tube senza ngathi I didn't know. Musuqamba manga, bro. Split shit city. Ni House of Tom ithola malini. Njengoba usuthi wena imali kwakumele iye kulo. Ayikho leyo nto. Ayikho leyo nto. Why wena uya kuhost uyelana uhost ngabe uza ku House of Tom ama company registered ukuthi mele athola imali and split isihamba kanje na kanje. You are ungrateful, Sifiso. Let's talk about how Sisi helped you. Yo, Oaks, imali yambheka umuntu mfethu, imali yambheka. Let's talk about how Sisi helped you ukuthi uye esibhedlela unkosikazi wakhe sezalile. Ingane yakhe ayinazo impahla zokugqoka, afford kwa impahla zokugqoka. Yeah, let's talk about that. Let's talk about how Usisi was the one buying alcohol a studio for nini ukuthi niphuze ndakwe. Drink your swallows down. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about how Usisi was the one buying food. But akatholi ngisho percent. Hayibo kahleni bafethu singazodlalwa ngabantu la. Ungazodlalwa ngabantu, khokhela abantu wena Sifiso. Udla imali zabantu, ungazosa mfethu. Ungazosa bafethu ayibo. uSeptember noOctober kanti uJuly yini kanti? No, imhlola. Guys, I'm not going to be the bigger person. Wena usisi wakulanda ingane yakhe izaliwe ngalolo suku ungakwazi kwakuyilanda, ungakwazi kwakuthengela unkosikazi wakhe impahla. Angazi unkosikazi wakhe uyayazi ini leyo nto wena Sifiso. Ukuthi usisi bought the food for unkosikazi wakhe lambile esibhedlela. She bought the clothes for umntana wakhe ukuthi agqoka bemuhle aphume esibhedlela. Wakunika Oaks, abantu masebenemali iyababheka imali. No, I'm not gonna be the bigger person, Oaks. Forget. Let's not do that. I'm not gonna be the bigger person. So don't lie. Nalentwana le master Rishila ifuna 650 wena wathi 250, 2500 le ntwana ifuna 650 rand. Wena wozoyenzani le enye sele usumkhokhela 600. Musala uqamba manga nina. Nalentwana usuyayifonela isikhuluma manga. Ya wena ungazokhuluma manga nina. Yazi ngakubuka lokho kusifiso la kwiDurban July mfethu ngakubuka ngathi kuyikhehle kungaka kufunana enganeni omile engasile. Mfethu ngezwe ngibasele because I knew everything kanti mangimbuka ngasho ngathi abona nje mfethu ubane into abamaphoyisa exist. Hayi konzokwenza okunye mfethu ngambuka ngamnyange yezwa mfethu mawuthi ayibuka nalento kuyikhehla wazi ukuthi kufunana enganeni wabukeke lahlekile. But I'm not too angikho la ngaleyo nto. Amla ukuthi usukhohliwe naSifiso wena ukuthi awunganamali wawumpofu wawumpunga mpumpu. Uyamazi umuntu ohluphekile mfethu azahlupheke ngisho ubone esikhumbeni uthi hayi kunzima la. Usisi matter of fact Usisi gave you a chance. Without Sisi's vocals Court uThemba Chuba was going to do numbers. Nale ngoma wayitshontshe kaSisi wayinika angisafuna ukukhuluma because we are on good terms now. Yonke into yalungiswa kwaGrand. Yonke into yalungiswa kwaGrand. Ngeke ngisabala namagama ukuthi ingoma wayithatha wayinika bani. I-hit wayithatha wayimosha wafuna ukwenza enye into yamosheka ingoma yabheda. Uyizwile na ukuthi i-hit. So ungazozenza ngazi into entswempu la ungazozenza inja wena Sifiso. Actually, Usisi helped you out wena. Usisi helped you out wena mfethu. Manje ngoba usunemali sekungcono, uthenga indlu, uthenga umuzi, uthenga imoto ezibizayo ngemali zabantu. Uthi I didn't know qamba manga, you knew very well. You knew very well. Uzoqamba manga leyibo mfethu. I'm not going to be the one to be a bigger person. La forget Oaks. Yeah, that's my 2 cents. Singazodlala abantu la.